I told you to ask all the students whether any confusion, any doubts, anything. Just first, let me clear that part. Any issue? No.
Sir, how to reverse a string?
Reverse a
String.
I have given the logic, na, how to check the palindrome. I have given the
Yes.
problem, isn't it? In that case, what is the way? First, you have to store the string in array. Okay. Then make it reverse, copy it to the another array. Give me the admin. Okay. Say first what to do, I use S1 as a string, say character. Okay. 10. Character S1. So I input it. Input it means gets or put. For input, what is the parameter? Gets or you put?
Gets.
Gets. So make it gets what? Tell. First I declare this string, then gets what?
S1.
What is the name of the string? S1. So by going through this means you put a string, say madam. Now I use another string S2, 10. Now whatever string in S1, first make it reverse and store it in where? S2. I have given the logic also. You just turn your page, then it will be clear. So this string having madam, after making reverse, okay, again madam will there. If I make this string reverse, again madam will be there. So finally what I use? Compare CMPR. What? S1, S2 equal to 0. Then this is a polynomial, else this is not a polynomial. So for reversing purpose, the logic I have given, let me see, I have given here, where it is,
Come to Pachinki.
you see, I have given this three logic. Is visible for palindrome. What is the number one?
Malayalam.
No. What is? I have given 3 points. No. Number one is what?
Take a string as input, store it in an array.
Okay, this is first. Whatever I am telling about this. What is the next?
Reverse the string and move it in another array. Store it in
So I
another
reverse it and make it in S2, and finally I compare. Is not it? Now the logic for compare that is called reversing. So how many? First I input the string here. This is input. Then find the length. Then make it reverse. Isn't it? First one is what? Input the string. Then find the length. Then reverse. Then compare. So for reversing, first what to do, I have to first find out the length of the string. So if you know the length, then what length will do? I having one string madam. So how to make it reverse? If I take the example, madam, okay, to make it reverse, what to do? First, I have to get total number of character. Okay, if the address of this is equal to 0, what is the address of this? 0 1 0 1 2 3 4, isn't it? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
If I take this array, these are the address A0, A1 up to A4. Now to make it reverse means what? I have to take another array. Okay, this first last position value I have to make it first. Are you getting or not? No.
Yes, sir.
The last position, forget about Malayalam. Forget about Malayalam because it's reversing again, coming the same. Okay. Take this A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is a string. Okay. What actually? This is a string means no gap. How many positions it will hold? If I make it A1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, then A6. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what to do? I take another string. So this is S1. I take another string S2. What I used to do? I make A6 5, A5 second. Likewise, A0. It's clear? Then what first position will come? F. Next position E, then B, then C, then B, then A. This is the way, isn't it? This is the way in case of number. Okay, but in character, this is slightly, the concept is same, slightly different. First, what to do? First, you have to go for the total number of character. So, how many character is there?
6.
6. So, I have to go for strlen of what? S1. I make it one variable, say K. No, let's wait. So our string is available where? Say str. I make it 1. Okay. 10. Our string is available in. I input the value. Okay. Input the value means gets na. Gets S1. Before going to reverse it, what to do? First, I have to get the length of the string. So how to go? K equal to STRLEN what?
S1.
S1. In this case, S1.
Yes.
STR1. Not S1, STR1. Okay, I have declared this STR1. Semicolon, then semicolon, STR1. Now K will hold total number of what?
Length.
Total number of
Character.
what is character? Okay, I don't know what is the string right now. No, after going through this, whatever you are putting accordingly, it will count the character. Now I use one for loop for K. Whatever I talked right now, that logic I want to implement over here. Say I equal to K minus 1 I greater than equal to 0, then I minus minus. Means what I am doing? I am taking the length of the string, the maximum value I assign to I. This is like I equal to n, I is greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. You have done already. Say for decrement operator for I equal to 10, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. I think you're familiar with this one, isn't it? Or what?
Yes, sir.
So I am doing this one only. I make the K. K means what? The length of the string, if it is 10, so this should be what?
10.
9.
Oh, 9.
9. 10 minus 1, 9 means it will go for the last string. Okay. Now what I should do after doing this, if I put this statement as STR2, I use another ST STR2. I take another string 10. Okay. Now here I put STR K minus I minus 1. Okay, equal to STR1 I. What does it mean? What is K?
10.
If the string length is 10, 10 will be K. 10 minus what is I?
9.
9 minus 1. How much? Minus 9 minus 1. How much?
Minus 10.
Minus 10. So 10 minus 10, what will be there?
0.
What will be there?
0.
Star 1 I. I is what? 10 minus?
1.
Are you getting? Means I equate the first position string with the last position string. Means indirectly what I am doing, I use one for loop. Next, what value will go? K become
1.
10. Next, this is for loop, na? First time the first position compare with the last position. Next time what happen? K will be what is the value of K? The length of the string.